Hi everyone, welcome back to another trading day. I'm Johan Malan, and today, Monday, 16 October 2023, I have 14 charts to look at that could potentially boost your trading profits for today. My first pick of the day is potential long on the pound Australian dollar. But before we proceed, remember that trading carries risk. And never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. At the end of this video, I will also show you my favorite trade idea for today. So grab your notepads and let's get started. Now back to the pound Australian dollar. Pound strong, losing a little bit of speed, but still much stronger than the Australian dollar, and still testing this level now, which I've identified last week for you. So this is still the level I'm watching. It's busy testing it, a little bit of a high wave candle there showing the market is not sure that it wants to do. I'm looking for a 1 hour reversal here after 12 o'clock on a Monday. I don't do Monday morning, so none of these setups will work for me. It's also busy forming a very nice 1 hour trend line. So a break or a candle reversal here could be very nice for us. If you look at this, I can show you this wedge sort of. So that's a 1 hour setup on a 4 hour level that's been tested. Pound New Zealand. Now this one I gave to you last week, and now this is just to show you why I close all 1 hour trades before a weekend. I leave 4 hour trades open and end of day trades open during weekends, but 1 hour trades I close on a Friday night. I will leave them open the whole week, but a Friday night I close them. Yeah, every now and then I'm wrong, but this instance here we tested, saw a bullish engulfing here, very nice candle on Friday. You could do the halfway mark, but then before the market close here, 9-10 o'clock in the evening, before the market close, I just exit everything. And look at the gaps that can happen. It gapped from there down to here, the open. So that is a huge gap that happened here, and this could just absolutely kill all your profits and give you a big bad one. Right, so I don't like trading Friday afternoons or evenings, but even something like this, I would usually exit all 1 hour trades on a Friday. So no harm done here on this one. Going back to the 4 hour charts, you'll see their pound New Zealand still okay-ish, but it's not getting the best anymore. So I'm taking this off my watch list. In Australian Swiss franc, the one that started out very sticky, but we sat through it. We got our 1 hour targets, we got everything, and then our 4 hour targets. We've been trailing stop loss, and then on Friday on this big drop, it went way beyond my target, but I'm more than happy. My initial risk here was roughly 20 to 30 pips, and I still gained 90, almost 100 out of it. So I'm more than happy with a 1 to 3 risk reward. We've got some 1 hour trades. We closed at 1.27. So all in all, an awesome trade. So now I brought in this swing here on the Fibonacci's. 61 retracement will bring us back into this area here. You can see, and the history was part of it. We had 1.27 target at that stage there, and a very nice area to look at. So I'm still good. If it rallies up into this resistance level, I will still look for shorts. You can see clearly Aussie Swiss, very nice. That's one of my favorite ones to do because the Aussie is so weak and the Swiss is so strong. So on this retracement back up there, I would like to see a retest of that level before I will get involved again. Gold, my cautious long here, played out very well, went beyond my target, but so be it. I've got long-term positions open, so I'm not that worried. But for this specific trade, this trade for me is done. We went cautiously long on the hammer candle here. Trailed the stop loss, hit the first target at $18.80, second target at $1,900, and then I was done with this trade. So very nice profit for us in the bank, guys. Well done. I will on retracement start to look at trades again, but at present the dollar very strong. I know it decoupled at this stage, but I'll be cautious. But I will see on retracements what I can do if I can re-enter into a trade. Most likely I would like to see it come back down here to the 1860, 1870 levels. So for now, I'm done with this trade. I banked the profits and I'll step aside. In the CAD Swiss, we shorted that breakout. We've done all the 1 hour trades. We've hit all the 1 hour charts. 4 hours, yeah, we have now missed that final target on, I can't believe this, second time in 2 weeks where I missed my final target with a couple of pips. But right, nonetheless, we've banked all the 1 hour trades, which had lovely risk rewards. So the 4 hours are there to run a little bit of a wider target. Missed my target last night there, but nonetheless, now with a new low, I will trail my stop loss to that high plus 5 to 10 pips. and they'll sit. So money banked, and now just a question of sitting. I'm still very keen on shorting this CAD Swiss. So as it retraces, yes, I will protect my cash with a stop loss there if it shoots through. But if it retests there and I get another reversal on the 1 hours or the 4 hour charts, I will re-enter the trade. Look at the support resistance levels there coming in. Very nice market structure. So having a stop just beyond that, that's a good thing, unless it just spikes through. But then it takes us out in the money, in profit, and I will just re-enter the trade on a reversal. US Swiss, we got the short up there, but not the 4 hours. That was sort of a midnight bar as far as I can remember. Then I mentioned the bearish engulfing on Friday. I said I don't like this. I needed a retest. I got a retest, and that was a very nice 1 hour short there with about a 20 pip stop loss, 15 to 20 pip stop loss. And it came back down, and yet again on the 1 hour charts, I like to close out all my trades on a Friday night. So nonetheless, with a 20 pip profit, you got 60, 50, 80, doesn't matter what you've done, you've made your money, and that is a very nice one. So we haven't had a 4 hour trade on this, just the 1 hour trade, hitting targets or actually exiting early on a Friday night without letting the trade go over a weekend. So that's one of my golden rules. A 1 hour trade never goes over a weekend. So the US Swiss thing done. Now they're both too strong for me to find a trend in it. So I'm going to step aside on this one until I can get more clear direction. In the pound yen, I gave this level to you on Friday, and we had the bounce early morning. Okay, as I've said, it was a midnight bar. It's not a bar that I trade. And then it came back to the 1 hours. It just, again, you can see here, look at this bullish engulfing. It looks like it wants to run. It missed the level, so it stepped aside until it tested. Then a counter reversal, but then below the level, so old support become resistance. And that's the obvious direction. So no trade was entered here on Friday. In the Euro CAD, we had a little bit of a triangle here. If you watch the previous video, I'll have it in the description for you. But we had this rising triangle. I said the breakout never happened, went the opposite direction, now forming a falling wedge, which is a very, very, very bullish pattern. So still same scenario. I would like to see on this one here, I would like to see the run, the break, the retest, and then I'll get interested on this retest here. That's my aim on this one, but I guess I'm a little bit early with this. And the Euro Australian dollar, Euro up there, Aussie down there. I'm very happy going long on this one if I can get a reversal. Now remember, nothing before 12, so none of these signals were valid for me this morning. It's a Monday, so I would like to see a test now on the Monday afternoon and a strong reversal. Then I'll be interested in going long. I would not use this 4 hour reversal, because 4 hour reversals on a Monday morning or a 1 hour reversal on a Monday morning is not strong. I don't like them. So I'm going to sit and wait for another test, and then I'll consider a long if everything still aligns. Swiss yen, Swiss franc up there, yen in the neutral state, but Swiss with a strong. I would like to come back to this support level I've identified last week. I'm still waiting there. I'm still good for longs there. Euro New Zealand, I wanted to trade the breakout there last week, but nothing that we could do there came in, and then the gap, and then the Euro and New Zealand down here. You see Euro, I like to trade the Euro New Zealand long, and I would like, now I deleted that structure there. I'm now waiting for the structure to be tested. Pound Swiss, we got the shorts, drew the Fibonacci, retracement 61% FIB plus that market structure. The one I like more is actually at the 78%, that level there, that support, that resistance. That's the two areas I'm looking for. We got the pound there with a strong Swiss, so we would like to be short pound, long Swiss. That means we will short the pound Swiss here. Any of those two levels, I'm interested later today if it's going to happen. Aussie US, pretty much same scenario. Aussie very weak. I would love to be short here. US up there. So I've identified that support resistance level. When it gets there, I will get interested. Then my favorite setup for today is a long on the USD CAD. But first, if you are new to this channel and find this video helpful, give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so I can keep making content like this for you. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell to ensure you don't miss out on my daily trade ideas. Now, let's get back to my favorite setup, long on the USD CAD. US very strong, CAD still on the weaker side of things. I like that a lot. and now retracing. We had this nice run up the page, and if you look at the bigger picture here, you'll see here that actually almost hit the 61% FIB. So it shows on a larger time frame that it is a very strong trend coming in. But then we had a little triple bottom here showing support, breaking strongly up. Now the retracement back to the support level here, and this whole market structure here looks good right at the 61%. With the dollar there, CAD down there, I'm more than happy to take a long iffy test, and I can get a 1 hour reversal or a 4 hour reversal here from Monday afternoon for the rest of the week, providing everything stays in line. But guys, trading isn't just about my insights. I want to hear from you. Drop your questions, share your experiences, or tell me which trading opportunities you're eyeing in the comments below. I've been trading since 2003, and if you are eager to take your trading skills to the next level, check out the links in the description to join my mentorship program and open a trading account with a trusted broker, which I've been using since 2010. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Don't forget to trade responsibly. I can't wait to see you in the next video. Until then, trade well.